It's hitting record.
Oh. It records straight away.
It does?
Yeah.
Hi!
It's a dump bitch right now. What's the view of the...
Hi!
I'm gonna say they can see us. I don't think they can see us like beyond the table right there. So we have to say come in between the table.
On. Bro!
No, but he has to get on himself, dude.
Oh, because this is on YouTube. No.
We're not actually fighting,
No.
by the way.
Huh?
Wait, we're not actually fighting. We're just fighting like boys do.
We're wrestling, boys!
What the fuck? Oh no. We can't cuss now.
I said boys.
Yeah, I know how to cuss. Put it on my hand. What the heck do you think you are? Come on. Right here. This is so focused. It's okay. No spitting. Unviable tone here.
I think it's hurt to my wrist.
I don't know. What are we doing? And one. And a two.
This is lame.
And a three. And a four. And a five. Okay, we have to step it up because this is boring.
Exactly. This is very boring for them, too. This is more like it. This is more like it.
I got it up! You okay? Are you okay? Nope. 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 Oh,
No.
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 I said no. No.
I think not, but I almost said it. No.
You dragged my thumb. Oh no. Oh no.
Hang on, let me take this off.
Are you
Kind
recording?
Huh?
Well, I'm seeing back though. So, let's do that like shorty thing. Okay. You're just breathing on the mic. No. No. Nope. Look away.
Like,
Come at me. Oh. No. 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 No.
no. This is boring. This is boring, bro.
No. No. And oh, I have cuts again.
Huh?
Hit me up, boy. No.
No.
Come on, boy. No. No. No.
Yeah.
Let's wrestle, dude. We're slapping each other.
What?
Oh, no. Ah, my elbow.
It's a garbage channel.
Get your ugly face out of there. Dude, that's like a team. Oh no. No punching or smacking. Just like arm lock and stuff like that. No doing this, cause that's stupid.
No doing.
Yeah, only like,
Never doing like that.
yeah.
Hang on.
No, dude. I've been recording 4 minutes, what?
Yes, yes, yes.
Boy, stop cussing. It's a kid-friendly video. This is fighting.
Don't pull my body.
Hey, now you're flexible.
What?
Your toenails are messed up. 1, 2. Faster!
Oh, God. You. No. 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 Nope. Let's move, right? Kind of.
We both are on the ground.
Yeah.
No. Not doing that. That's my eye, boy. No smacking.
You can't see us.
You're a failure. No doing that, boy. Don't push. Pushing my knife. I said pushing my knife. No.
Oh, shit, bro. Dude, we have to watch out, dude. This is fucking pointy.
Do the go.
It's pointy.
Let's mess him up. Boop. Huh. Like that.
Ah, yeah. Oh, God. Ow, ow. I'm sorry. You're about to talk to me.
No, I thought you messed his guy up. There you go.
Oh, fucking go, bitch.
Who messed his guy up? Who's that? Don't touch me. You're messing someone up.
Yeah, yeah. Ow. Ow.
Is that the clown? I said, is that a clown? Ah! Ah!
I know this is boring.
This range game, to be honest. What's wrong?
Halo.
Shut up. Did I miss? There we go. High five. And go. Boom. 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 No. We have to change the camera. We have to get some action on. Get out of my face.
Sorry, guys. I messed up the camera.
Okay. I just died all of a sudden. There we go. Shoot. Let's try it again. No. Oh, okay.